Hi guys, it's Danny here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back if you're a subscriber. If you're new, please do hit the subscribe button and you will be notified when I upload my next video. So today I'm going to be showing you my self-care routine. This is something I like to do when I'm feeling a bit down in the dumps, PMSing, had a crap day at work, that makes me feel really good, really great and doesn't break the bank. So if that sounds good to you, don't forget to subscribe and let's get on with the tips.
So you guys know the deal. First things first, let's get into our comfies. This is just a really cheap lounge set that I actually got from Primark, but it's just so comfy, and that's the best thing when you just get home after a stressful day, get comfy. And now I'm just lighting some candles. These are not expensive candles. I've just got one at the front, which is from IKEA. I think it was like £1.50, and an Aldi fake Jo Malone one there. But I just love candles. There's something about the smell of them, how the flames flicker in the wind. So I just love to pop a little squat, and just meditate and enjoy watching the candles. Yeah, they just make me feel so calm and relaxed. I love them so much. Next, I'm just getting my Aroma Diffuser all set up. So this is just filled with water, and I have actually got a bit of lemon oil in there, and it just smells so lovely. It just makes the room smell really fresh and really relaxing, and I love getting this because you can just put whatever scent in you fancy. So sometimes I'll go for lavender, sandalwood, and it's just so calming. So one other thing that I really like to do, when I'm just not feeling great, is just hop on the phone. So if there's someone that you feel comfortable speaking to, be that a family member, a partner, a friend, someone that can just take your mind off it or even just talk through what's going on, is such a really good way of dealing with things and just taking care of yourself and your emotions. Now, if you've seen my shelf styling video, you all know that I love having books and magazines around the house. So this is something else that I really like to do. It doesn't need to be a new magazine, because I feel like every time you look through, you see something different, which is one of the amazing things about holding on to magazines and books. You can just flick back through and see something new, or just enjoy something that you've read before. It's such a nice feeling and just nourishes the soul and takes your mind off things. So that's it, guys. Those are a few things that I like to do as part of my self-care routine to take care of my soul and make me feel good on a day where I'm not feeling so happy. I would love to hear what you guys like to do. Do pop them down below in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye, guys.